Hi, my name is Syed. I'm Chief Digital Strategist at Innomind Technologies. Branding is a very important aspect for your business. Branding is also a foundation for your business. You need to really make sure that the branding stands out from the rest of the competition and it is very visually appealing so your customer can recognize it. Branding can come with any kind of form like logo design, brochures, the kind of PPT designs or signages, t-shirt design, or it could be anything. So it is very important that branding has to be designed in a way that whether your customer can see it on your signboards or your signages or your website, they should be able to recognize your brand. So let me walk you through some of our best work that we have delivered to our clients. So here is our branding work. As you can see on our website, this is we have done for one of the company in UAE called Gastro. So we have designed the letterhead, we have designed the website for them, we have designed the business card, the brochures, the letter pads, everything as you can see on my screen. This is again the website. There's a t-shirt we have designed for their employees as part of the branding. So here's the another called Sun Life Financial, the mobile app UI as you can see on my screen. And here's the another mobile app that we have designed the entire branding and the UI. Here it is, and this is the another on tap growth, the t-shirt design, again the business card, the notebook, the letterhead, stamp, the business card, the back side of it and the front side of it. This is the another branding project that we have done for our clients. Here it is. So as you can see, the kind of quality that we provide to our clients is very detail oriented. This is the website. So we have a team of designers, graphic designers, basically the visualizer who listen to your ideas, to your business needs, and give a unique visual identity for your business brand and make it as a successful business brand identity. And now I would like to take to you to the different packages we have for the branding and logo design here. So that is the first growth plan, second is growth plus, and third is growth plus. I mean the turbo. I'm sorry, the turbo growth. Uh, in the US dollar, the pricing is $100, $250, and the 500. In for the Indian customer, we have in Indian rupees, and for the UAE customer, we have in the UAE dirhams. And these are all the deliverables under each of the plan, as you can see it here. And this is the frequently asked question that we have updated here. So you can either order us the plan wise, or if you have a custom need, you can get the custom order also. You can give the custom order to us so we can deliver the pricing accordingly. So that's it. We look forward to help your business too. Thank you.